I'm starting a course in a couple of weeks. That's why we're staring at this desk. Instead of doing my usual, panicking at the last minute after weeks of procrastinating, I'm going to go against my past behaviors and show up for myself, hence this desk video. First off, yes, this is my dining room table. I'm using what I have, people. My first move was to adjust it so it will be beneficial to me. The ability to sit in natural light and to be able to glance out the window when needed was crucial. I needed to figure out how I really work to intentionally give my physical space the space to succeed. I also needed to make sure my drawer opened specifically at the right spot so I could easily grab my snacks from it. Snacks are important. Finding the things that would drive me crazy. Tangled cords, feet hitting random objects, chair wheels getting caught on, whatever, needed to be addressed. I easily get irritated with myself and my environment. Thanks, ADHD. So, yes, I'm taking the time to hunt down and fix these irritations. Removing anything and everything that was not required for this course and finding space for the things that did enabled me to see my space more clearly, to see how I would move about it. Spoiler alert, that book we just saw, I did put back on my desk as the title says it all on why I'm taking this course. Can we just take a moment to love on this old Vogue covers? Excellent for when I'll need some creative inspiration. Look at those colors. So, yes, the sketchbook and the tracing paper stayed. The random receipt and strange knitted creature, they were removed. Fun fact, pretty much everything in this shot is thrifted, minus the printer, which was a Christmas present from a very fine gent I work for. Even my laptop wasn't a brand new one. Sometimes you just need to pick a corner and figure out how to organize that to organize your own life. So this is your permission to do that. And if need be, this is the permission for you to show up for yourself. I was also gifted a card to a local art store where I gifted myself some new pens as the ones I had rudely dried up. And I do recognize that this video is going like a roller coaster, up and down. But that's how my life is right now, so everybody just bear with me. The decision to sign up for this course has had the effect of making the decision to really show up for myself, not just exist with myself. Honestly, I'm not sure if I ever really have shown up for myself. I've made do or gotten by, but I don't think I've actually consciously decided to fully be there. I was always stuck on blindly hitting the gas and going full throttle, or just a complete, encompassing, checked out stop. When you're only accountable to yourself, it's very easy to just stop trying, to lose sight of what you wanted or want to do, to get lost in the daily struggle of trying to just exist on your own terms. To know you and only you is the only person you can really count on. No one is coming to hand me the winning lotto ticket or pay my rent. I am the only one that can forge my path by simply showing up and doing the work. So, my task to ensure I show up is to show up here. Starting in March for 12 weeks, I'm going to take you with me. The home stuff will take a back seat just for now. I'm holding myself accountable to getting dressed every day and heading in the direction I know I want to go. So tell me, how are you showing up for yourself today? See you next time.